folder. I'll show you how to create the folder. I hope first log into your MyMDX. And if you're doing it from your home, you have to use the Data IQ software link. And then you have to go to that. But if you're anybody, for those who are starting now, so click on this lab PC and click on this link. Your user ID is student and password is MDX student. So here, Ishan, just click on this new folder. Sambit and Varun is doing it here, right? Okay, Sambit, just click on this new folder and you have to name your folder here. Give your name so that it will be easy for you to search it. Your name and create a folder here. Ishan and then Shashant, right? Yeah. Just just create your own folder here. Once you go to that link, you will see this screen. Click on this new folder. New folder and create folder. You can type some name and create a new folder here. You're done creating this folder? No way. No, you did say it. Okay, not at the page. Oh, wait. That might be.
No one used to attend to it. But it is by the removal. And so, that's very good.
Sorry.
Thank you. I got my video. How are you? That is what we have.
Not the main project. How I be your name? Start working. What? Right? Why is it not done? What do you have to process? I don't know if I. Yeah, I would.
Yes,
Oh, nice. I didn't know that, so that's how fun. And it's like a 48, and the other one is that's time. Have you done other things? Yeah. What
so what was exactly the hospital achievement? What's called? Like what is अपने लोग हैं अपने लोग आगे बाहर जाते हैं पूरा पता नहीं डब्ल्यू से रिपोर्ट डब्ल्यू से करीना है पर ये दोस्त no like bodyguard साउथ में वाले क्या भाई हॉलीडे की हो रही है पर जॉब पर ईमेल ले रही है अली इनको है मुझे सब विजय देवरकोंडा के विजय अरे हाँ हाँ so from the definitely they have bodyguard and holiday also. Vijay Tirupati is different. He is different. हाँ it's the bodyguard. Vijay Devarkonda is different. He is the one who acted actually. Vijay हाँ देखो देवरकोंडा इसका सर्टिफिकेट विजय का ये देवरकोंडा जोसफ ये है जोसफ विजय
government is not so able to he would vote for the money. He is moving so much. Like was Just clicks. Seventy percent.
Hello, ma'am.
You find your code and call me. It's not there. It's not
But you can see that.
Yes, yes. It will be joined in my.
I know. So it's good. All that.
Okay, I have fun with this. Yeah, it's already will be very happy. Yeah, I'm going on this.
You can add a.
Really, that's the tower probably. You will find the tower. Open
Okay, okay, so very sorry, half of them have lost their project. So we have to get back to them showing their project here. Okay, Ishan, have you created your folder, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Folder is created, right? Now just do what I'm saying. Okay, so come back to the projects where you have all the projects. Okay, and
Hello,
search
ma'am.
for, hello?
Hello, ma'am. The new folder we have to create our folder, right? I
No,
created
for
it.
others you would already have a folder, so you can work
No,
on
no,
that.
no. I also missed yesterday's section. I was in hospital, so
Okay.
um, I created my folder, but then I can't see my folder here.
Where did you create? Can you
In this
search here?
section itself, Hannah
It should
Tinku.
come here. It should come here. Is it coming or not?
Ma'am, let me see.
Now, Ishan, just type in here, Shabana, and you should see this one here. Okay. So from here, you see this test. Sambit, why have you created your... So from here, you will duplicate this. Sambit, are you working in your folder or are you working in my folder? Can you check if the folder is yours? Mine. No. The workflow will be mine. The folder you should not be in my folder. You should be in your folder. Yours is fine. Fixa, yours is fine. Because sometimes name is here in mine, so that's why I was wondering if he is working in mine. Sambit, come to a new system. Okay, Ishan. So what you do is you will give a new name for this.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will do it, Ishan. Just give me a second. I'll do it for you. Have you created the folder or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You created, right?
By my name, right?
Sorry?
By my name, right?
Yes, by your name. No, open
Yes,
the
ma'am.
system. Yeah, it's recording. So here duplicate and then Ishan housing. This will be here. Ishan, is this you? Is this you, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ishan, this project has been now, you have a copy of this project. You can start working on this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, I also created my folder. Can you check, ma'am?
What's your name?
Hannah, Hanna, Tinku.
H-A.
Hanna.
This is right.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
it is there, but you don't have a project. Just give me a second. Yes, Hannah, you can go to your folder. You will have this one, your folder name. The project will be available in your folder. You can start working on that, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So I think everyone has, okay, let's start. We have lot of things to do. Okay, so now that everybody should be here and this one should be in dark blue. If it is not dark blue and just like one square, which means you have not run the pre-processing steps. So only if you run the pre-processing steps, this will become a solid blue. Else like it just will be one blue square box. All right. Now, okay, I didn't do the homework. So can we quickly do the homework or we'll hold it for the later? I'll hold it for the later one. All right. Okay, so now what we will do is, all of us have a very solid blue square here, or anybody is having just an outlined square here. If not, double click on this and you have to run this. Only if you run, your flow will be updated, all the processings will be updated in this particular one. Are we good here? Okay, fine. Now, step one, double click this and get to this is our pre-process data. So you should be here in the flow and double click on this. What about those online? All of you are having a solid red line here, right? I mean, solid blue box here, right? There
Yes,
should be a
ma'am.
solid
Yes.
blue box. If not, then it means that you have not run this one. The step has to be run. And now, so henceforth, all your works will be done on the cleaned data because that's what we did yesterday. So open this. Now here, this is where we are going to build our charts. On the top, you have charts here. So here you will build a lot of charts individually. And then finally, just like we do in Power BI, right? We will collate everything as a dashboard here. All right. Now, the first one, we want to show the price concentration, right? So we want to understand how price of the different properties are spread across. So which one do you think would be the right chart here? Which chart would be appropriate here to view this? Sorry? The question is, I want to understand how price is distributed.
Okay.
So which chart can we use? Bar chart is, scatter plot is for two variables. We are talking about one variable. Pie chart is for categories, multiple categories. Histogram is one good option. We can use histogram, or otherwise, the best one is your box plot. Yeah, the box plot will tell you where the mean is, median is, and everything. So we will construct a box plot first. So here, in this one, you will see all the charts available. On the top, you see this vertical bars. So if you drop down that, you will see a lot of charts here. You can choose the box plot here. Right? Are we all here together? The last is Shashank and Sambit. Completely lost Sambit. Okay, fine. Now we will use the final price. So that will be our y axis. Drag that to y. Now this is our block. You can see like, how you want. You can also expand the chart and see. Right? So ideally, you will not have like, in Excel, we have X and, mean, median. That will not be there. But what you can do is, see this box which is opening here. You can just click on this. Once you click, this box will be pinned here. So your first chart is as simple as this. Now we'll give a nice name for this. Yeah, this is the price distribution of properties. I have done this. Oh my God, this is gone. This is our first chart, the price distribution. It would be nice if we can write an interpretation for that, but the text box will be available in our dashboard. So once we move to the dashboard, we can create a text box and you can write the description for this. All right. So this will be our first. You have a lot of formatting options here. So I leave it to you to explore. I'm not like, getting into that formatting ones, but yes, you can explore all the things here. The format options. Right? Now, one more chart, box plot, but this is going to compare the price distribution across different property type. What happened? Are we good?
The numbers are not really pinned there.
Yeah, so you click, just move here and it will fit. So keep it a place and click, it will be pinned. Right? So to create the next chart, listen here, yeah. So you're all full of energy. I have like, this is the second half of the day. Yeah. But post lunch, everybody should be sleeping. Sorry? This is the day starting for you. Okay, so the next one is click on the next chart. Now create, you can also duplicate this, that's also fine. So you can also duplicate this chart, but I will create a new one. So again, one more box plot. Same final price, but I'm going to, split this across different property type. So go to drag this property type by in the by X column. Right? So now you get this across for all the different property types. So we'll change this name. Price distribution across property types. Good. So you have the final one as well as this other ones here. Are we good? Yeah. Okay. So the next thing what we are going to do is we are going to create a KPI card, a lot of cards where you just get the total number of properties that was sold and available, all those things. Okay. So for that, we will create, how about us following who are in the online? Are we good?
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on chart. right? So here you have KPIs, right? So what are the things we are going to show? What is the total number of listings? Number of listings that are sold. Sorry? Offers. Offers. Okay, fine. But we didn't convert offers, right? I mean, we converted sold. We had something called sold status, where we converted everything which is sold to 1 and not available or something as 0, right? So we will use that and average days in the market. Okay. So total listing. How do we count the total listing? How do we know the total listing?
Count of how?
Count of the listing IDs or count of your record, right? So I'm just going to drag this. Sorry. So this one is the sorry, this should be not count distinct, count null. Total numbers. So you have to count the total number. Yep, normal count, not the distinct ones. Non-null, yes. So here, count non-null. Yeah, if it's distinct, I think there is one property which is repeated twice. We didn't even bother. Yeah, that's okay. So count non-null here. Yeah. 7? Even after count non-null? Okay. Perfect. See, I also have removed from here. I don't want the label. See, this is not actually looking good for me. So I'm just like, clicking down and I'm just removing it. That's all. So here there is a label. So I don't want that label to be because it shows us number of listings. So I just disabled it. Otherwise, however you want, it's fine. And then the next one we will take is the number of sold listings, right? So how do we, yeah. I want to create one KPI card. So it will show the total number of listings. Then we will create a filter and that will show with respect to different areas. That's also good. Okay, so next one is I will take the sold status here and add one more. So is it okay? Is it right? See, drag and drop, that's all. So we created sold status yesterday, different variable, right? See here, there is sold status here. And drag and drop. Should we do something else? Should count? It should not be average. It has to be sum. Yeah. Because we are counting, right? Remember, yesterday we created, if it is sold, it is equal to 1. Else it is equal to 0. If I just count all the things, it's okay. Carry on with whatever the values are. So it should be, your function should be sum here. And then, so label, rather than removing, we will change it. Sold, and I will move it to the top. Oh, this is name of the card actually. Sorry. Then we will keep it as property details. Property details. This is property details. Then I will name this as total number of properties. Then I'm keeping this as 20, moving this to top. So you can change this. Can you think do you think we can add any more to make it? So what I'm going to do is, after creating this card, I will create an area-wise filter. So there is something written there, not to eat inside the class. No? Oh, it's not written. Okay.
No return. No
It's written, right? Yeah, no eating and drinking. Okay, fine. That's fine. So what you're going to do is we will create a filter so that based on that every area, we can actually choose that. All right. So this is fine. Do you want to add any more details here? What else we can add? I didn't create sold rate. Can I put, I will add average days in the market. Yeah, average days in the market. Days on the market. Yeah, this is average. So we'll also, the decimal places, I will convert it to 0. No, average. It will be average. Average number of days in the market. So here, decimal places 0. Right? And then I'll also include average inquiry rate. If you have created any other variable, no, we haven't created anything, right?
Sold property. No, we did.
Average size will not be a great, yeah. If you think like you want to show something else, what else can you show? I can show the inquiry rate here. So I'll also add the inquiry rate, average inquiry rate.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. No issues. Whatever you want to show. Yeah. So no, you want to show that as an average. You're talking about the title or the entry. Oh, you didn't calculate. It's okay. Fine. You choose something else. It's fine. Like number of viewings, number of inquiries. Are we done here?
Yeah.
Now we will include a filter here, which means this is for all the areas together. Now drag your property size, area into the filter here. Drop your area under the filter. You have the 3 dots, right? Click on this. See, you can convert that into different ways. You don't want a checkbox. We know we can have a nice checkbox here. I mean, a radio button. So that would help you, like, which property you want to see.
Yeah.
So if I click on business bay, see, it gives me the number of properties listed in business bay and this number sold and the average days. So it changes for each and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a conditional formatting here. So that will show that if the average days in the market is above 50, then it is going to be shown in a different color. And if the inquiry is less than, let's say 3 or 4, then it should show us in a different color here, right? So the inquiry rate, what is the inquiry, lowest inquiry rate? 5, something had 4, right? Something is having 4. Yeah. So what we can do is we can go to format here. So in the format color, see this. In the color, you can add a color group. So this will apply to, let's say, let's first start with the inquiry rate. If the inquiry rate, the rule is, if the inquiry rate is less than 5. So go to format. And here in the color, you have a add color group. So click on this. And click on the nothing is apply to. Apply to is I'm selecting it for the inquiry rate here. And if the inquiry rate is less than 5, then let's, make a red color background and scream that, hey, this is in danger zone. And similarly, if the number of days in the market is above 60, so we can add one more color rule. No, we are, sorry? Yeah, greater than 60, but okay, just give me a second. I think another color group, add another color group here. And then here choose average days in the market. And this is greater than 60. Let's keep it as 60. And then again, this will scream red. It's in danger. That's all. Now again, go back here. See, you change it. Everything will be fine. And whichever has the danger ones will be shown in red. Are we good here? Yeah. So this is one thing which we will go. You can also change the background of the cards, font of the cards. I leave it to you for that. Yes.
Can you like quickly tell how you change the decimal number, like just of one example?
You can just drop here. See here, decimal places, I changed it to 0.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
So, yeah, that's all. Okay, so which areas have more inventory? So can we construct a simple bar chart here and then show which area has more inventory which is not sold? I want you to try this. You can do a bar chart here, but you want to show the available houses which is not sold across different areas. Yeah, vertical stripes. Please construct a bar chart. It's so simple now. Which areas have more inventory? Bar chart, vertical axis. Another chart, vertical bars. Yes, area in the x-axis. Okay. I'm very curious about the y. Question is, which areas have more inventory?
Number of pages.
No, inventory is the properties which is not sold. Sorry?
Sold status.
Sold status, yeah.
Sold status is like average sold rate.
You need to use filters. You can think of it. Just think of it, how we can show it. At the same time, like, what we did. Yeah.
Area.
Area will come into the x-axis. Count of zeros, yes. How will you count the zeros? So use the filter.
Listing
No, how do you know which
the
one?
ID, we can find whether this house property sold or not. Exactly.
Yeah, okay. But you're still not getting the filter part of it. You need something to filter to show that these are the availables. Yeah, there's multiple ways to do it. You want to remove this, I'll remove this. Okay, so I will go with Varun. Varun says we'll take the list count of list. Okay, I will take the listing ID and I will count the non-nulls ones. Okay, but this includes both the sold and the available ones. Exactly. That's all. So in the filter, you can drag the sold status into the filter. Right, and then I will just choose to simple single value or something, and then this one gives us only the ones which are sold here, so which is not sold. So these are the properties which are not sold. Yes, I think I'm recording, right? Yeah, I'm recording it, yes. Yeah. Inventory by area. Okay, so you can also sort this if you want to sort it. Okay, so how do we sort it? Okay, the price bands, I didn't do the price bands. Can you try the price bands here? Which price bands sell better? So for price bands, we need a new variable. But here, okay, let's not do it because then we have to go back and then come back. So let's not do it here. We can do it using aggregation, but let's not get into it. So let's leave the price band. If you have price band, please, you can do one more thing. Okay, can you answer this? Increase.
So we can compare it with final pricing
N is the days to sell.
pricing and inquiries with the final pricing.
No. The higher price increase the time the property is on the market.
Also, days of market tax.
Yes. Which chart?
With chart. How many for the and we are asking general question or we're asking with data.
That's a general question. So if you can't use any type of chart on any variables, right?
I mean, that's also you can.
Louder, he is giving some answer. Akash. No, see, both are numerical. Huh? Yeah, so both of them are numerical variables, right? Price and time on the market. Vertical bars will be only for single variables, or you have, and that too it's mostly appropriate for categoricals. Two numerical variables. So you studied Power BI or no?
Very rare.
Huh?
Very limited ones.
Yeah, but Professor Supriya took that or Professor Dushyant?
So he was great, but we didn't understand.
No, but then you studied. That's all.
Yeah, we studied.
So which means you should give the answer now. Yes. No. I want to, does higher price, yes. How did you find out the answer? Line chart, is it appropriate in this scenario? Trend is, when do you use trend? Yes. She asked the question, she gave the answer. So yes, this chart would be a. Huh? Scatter plot. Regression starting itself is scatter plot. Two numerical variables. And then
Final price goes out.
So that there we have an option for exports.
Thank you. The filter पे डालें, उसके पहले बताऊंगी। अगर मेरा प्राइस 10 का इतना बिका, तो मैं इसमें एक और फिल्टर लग गया।
Because you get the patients, right?
टाउन हाउस रहेगा। हाँ, सच। हाँ, सेकंड है। प्रॉपर्टी Just give 5.
I want to fit a regression line and everything. So that I will do. That's all. So you want to do, you do it. It's up to you. You can explore. Okay, so yeah, so that's exactly what I wanted. So go to scatter plot. There is scatter plot. Scatter plot. In the X, it is going to be does higher price. Oh, we are still going fundamentals. Does higher price increase the time on the market? So which one goes to the X?
X, ma'am, goes to the time. Or
Does
days on
higher
market.
price influence higher day on the market? So days on X, I want to know what is X here. Price is X. Price is on the X. So price, if the price is high, we are finding out whether the time on the market is higher or not, right? So this is Y and this is X for us. So where is price? Final price. I'll use the final price in X and the days on the market on Y, right? Why is it so ugly? I got a better one. Okay, I will use price in thousands. That one seems to be a bit. No, it's also the same.
It's the same. There is not much difference. Only put 0 the string.
Okay, so we will.
Like filter out.
Well, let's keep this one. No issues. Now here,
So,
you can
ma'am,
actually, yeah. Someone
at
asked some
the
question.
price band, I
Price?
calculated the price band, and based on that, I had put it. Will that work?
No, see, scatter plot is exclusively for numerical variables. When we calculate price band, it becomes categorical. So here it will
No,
not be
just to find the
appropriate.
answer. just to find the answer.
Oh, yeah, sure. You can definitely use it. No issues. Yeah. So here you can fit a regression line. All right. So this is our regression line. The other one is you can also add average lines, reference lines as average lines. All right. So which means, let's say I'm going to add a first reference line. So this line is nothing but an aggregation of some column. So let's say this is final price, right? So we will take we'll take the price and the aggregation will be average here. And the reference line of this final price and thousands will be on the x-axis and not on the y-axis. Which means, so this line gives us the average of the price. Average of the price. This is the average price. Can you try one for average days on the market and draw that line?
Constant also average or efficiency.
Can you draw one more line that will show the average days on the market, and that should come on the y-axis, not on the x-axis. Yeah? I don't know what is happening there. I'll just figure it out. How are we doing here? I don't Why is it like your filter driving the wheel? That's okay, guys. I don't know which stuff the filter is on. So it's okay. Just follow the question we asked is price influence the number of days the current of the month. So this will be price. Okay, so for the other line, we will add one more line here, reference line. This is based on data column, which is days on the market and average aggregation. And this will be displayed on the x-axis. Yes, so we have this one. Right, so this is another regression line we have. Okay, so we want to understand. Let's get back here, right? We want to understand the performance of agents across, areas and channels, right? So we are going to use how the agent's performance is happening across different areas and channels. So what I'm going to do is, sorry? You have so many variables here. See, agents, channels, areas, right? So we want to know how they are performing across different things, all right? So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to use an inquiry rate. So if an agent receives more number of inquiries, right? Then which means that the agent is performing better, right? And which channels and which areas are this particular agent receiving more from? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for now, what we are going to do is, we are going to create a new, it's not a variable, a new drilling option called as hierarchy. So what I'm going to do here is, we'll create another new chart. Hey, you can also you can show the regression equation also here. I forgot to show you. You switch on the formula, you will see the regression equation. Why is it not coming? I don't know why the formula is not coming here. Oh, it's here. Font size, let me increase it. Okay, I will change the position. If I change the position, it comes here. And then I will change it to red color font. No, it's not visible at all. That's a regression line we have. Yeah. So I tried something. Okay, so we'll go to the next chart. Sorry? This one, you go to the regression line. So under regression line, we have formula.
Yeah.
So here the formula, it was in the right position and somehow it is not showing. So I changed it to left. So it came here. I just increased the font size and color size so that it can be made, distinct.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I actually figured it out. Can you do the position to right
Okay.
and try moving the graph around? I tried moving it around, it actually appeared.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
there.
So here it is. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
the extreme of it. So I tried changing it, but still it didn't come. Okay. Yeah. It's getting hidden somewhere there. Okay. Thank you so much. Who's that? I don't know who was
It
that.
was me, ma'am. Yes, that was me.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Lawal.
No problem.
Okay. So the next one is we will create a hierarchy. All right. So what we are going to do is this option hierarchy. Okay. So the first one is I'm going to see the performance of the agents first. All right. So for that, I'm going to use a simple bar chart here. We'll have the agents on the x-axis and the inquiry rate on the y-axis. The inquiry rate will be the average inquiry rate, right? So we can't have like a sum or something. So it's the average inquiry rate. Yeah, sure, sure. Where has gone my... Okay, I think we can't do the hierarchy because that was working in... Yes. Yeah, one second. Hierarchy we can't do it because that was away.
Save for me. Save for me.
Can you drop the agent into the x-axis? See, even the filter is on for us. You have checked one or what? Probably that because of that you will be getting a different number. Right? Just go ahead. Okay, so this one I thought maybe the aggregation option is not there. I mean, there is a hierarchy option which is not there here. But what I will do is, instead, we will do an animation here. And we will drop the area into this animation. Okay. So which means these values will fluctuate across different areas. So you can actually click on repeat and you can slightly increase the speed to 2. And if you play, it keeps changing for different areas. So like, you know, for Dubai Marina, how each agent is performing. So which one is not working? So no, the hierarchy option is not there in this cloud. I seriously have no idea why half the options are not working for you.
And even for me, the inquiry any answer you
Okay, break. Fine. We have to do statistics also. So we'll come back and then we will do. Okay, fine then. So we'll go for a break and then we'll be back around 3:10 or something. And then we'll build the dashboard. And I have no clue. Wait, we'll see what happens there. So for those online, do you have any doubts? We have a break till 3:10. Your hackathon will be like, on dashboard building.
like this.
Yes, you have to build a dashboard.
I'm doing the public or
We need to publish. We'll come back and publish.
If I not publish any problem,
Not for the class, but you need it for your hackathon, right? Yes. Will be good.
how we can do because you're writing. Like, you have to do another action.
But we going export for every class we will have the itself will come. This is only specific for them. So when the class comes in, he will give you more data. You will be practicing the same. Right?
Write that. Why the rates are already I'm very new to this. Because I have no idea. Is this that? How to do it?
But you can really dancing.
Yes, it is not for that, but fully like.
You just started, right? So just we have a lot to learn with this. This is just a starting point for you. By the time you start building a model, this will become like very easy for you and then you do it very good. No, you have a lot.
Same doubt.
Sorry?
Same thing. Even for me, it is like new, so understanding this, remembering this is a challenge.
No, see, this is like, how did you find data? How did you find Power BI?
Power BI was easy, I could play with it, but this I'm like, not sure.
like easy, bro.
I was following the trend, but again, I didn't get that one, so I was like,
Excellent.
I like missed one thing, right? It's very, like, so if one thing gets messed up, then the whole thing
See,
will.
that is because I'm taking like a story. Because of which you're missing the flow here.
Right.
Not necessarily you have to be reading a story every time, right?
So I'm worried going to the time-based task and.
You will be able to do it, don't worry.
We will go after 1 week. I'll stay with him, then he will.
No, you will actually see, this is pre-implementation charts. Once you implement the machine learning, again you will implement charts. So you will have, again, you will have post-implementation charts also.
And we'll have to update this
This was
question.
like fine problem.
So I think this is, everything is taking, no, I think it's a server problem here. First. If I go to this, let's say.
It's very different. Yeah. Bro, I went to I was not strong. But the kids have a big because they never think. And we keep on doing so much. I think sick. You have to publish, right? And then save, create new how, like it's showing this option.
This picture, publish, we will publish it in the dashboard.
And should I log in now?
So it should add another dashboard.
Let it be like this. So you want to go, publish, it will go to the
If I
dashboard.
log in in
Now
another,
just come here once.
if I log in another tab, it will show like a start.
Yes, yeah, I'm not sure how many things would be there, I just want to wait here.
I'm asking out here.
Yeah, I will.
Order taking. That's the.
What is your name?
I'm seeing publish. So it's making me one, so you have to say, oh.
Yeah, which one, so first one, what I will do is, so So deselect this one, the last one. So and you have to create different pages, right? So what I will do is first page I create only the box plot. First do box plot and do page one. Okay. Next is console. Now if you add text box. Now you try to what is the meaning of all these box plots here. You have to write the interpretation of the box plot.
Yeah.
So this is one. So you can see it here. You also click on view. Adjust it.
So like this will be the Power BI.
Yeah, so just like Power BI, you create it.
And how do we go back and add the?
Yeah, you can go back. Here, like one, down.
Oh, very.
No, you should go back to the base. Double click. Want to go to the dashboard, dashboard. Because of. You just have to find out where each one is. So once you get a hold of it, then it will be easy for you to trace.
I'm just again, is it this? How do I add like these two are?
Go back here. So once it is again published.
Okay, we add one side dish to then add another there.
No, then you will create two different tabs. What I will do is uncheck this. On this. On this. H. So this will go to the again.
So it won't be like a one page all the things. So you wouldn't be wanting individual pages.
At least two ones in a single page. This one I will give it in
Because Power BI you are expecting one.
one. But so this one I will give it as a separate page. The other ones I will show you. Just basically, if you want, put everything in a single page. That's up to you.
But you are recommending maybe two pages. Your some this one data is
See, I don't know. I connected it different for my course. I don't know how.
different by
I connected.
yeah, there.
No, it's okay. It will be kind of. I don't know how it is, but
Like questions, how the
questions will be like
only in dashboard by given data.
data set, and you will be introduced to how good you are able to tune a model. A model should have a higher predicting accuracy, right? So you have to do a lot of pre-processing and a lot of tuning to get out good accuracy. So
What's that? Make left right. What is what's really
I think it would be more of a dashboard, but I don't know, but I see that it's simply cost money. It takes me for the
Ask me that I don't know.
Last body like
Oh, this is the last.
It's the last.
chapter go happily.
No, this and strategy. But that is the. This is our main module. We are taking here.
Right, there are some certifications, try to complete certifications, it will be really useful.
Like where?
What's there?
What's that?
Data IQ certificate, data IQ certificate.
Really?
Yeah.
After this. What is
You can also do the certificate.
Data IQ website, have a lot of certifications there. See which one you can, like, you have to know, you have to find.
We can log in from the like our student ID. Like
It's a website. You can ask.
Just in Coursera, you have to log in and then let you know you have to.
What's the way to beg people?
Yeah, it's one certificate or two certificates, it's the others are paid expenses. Yeah.